Well, do you know how to establish a computer? Or how to put all these computer parts on the motherboard? If you don't know, don't worry about it, dear friend. Let me show you step by step. Step 1. Open the CPU socket and take the CPU out from the package carefully. There is a small triangle on the CPU surface. Install it at the bottom left corner, but please do not touch the pins. It is easy to be broken. And then lock it. Step 2. Open the buckle of the RAM memory slot. Take the RAMs out from the package. Put the RAM in, but be careful not to install it in the wrong way. When it's done, unlock it. And then put another one in a slot, just in the same way. Step 3. Connect the solid-state driver to the end of the SATA cable. And another end connect to the motherboard. It's quite easy, right? Last step, time to install the graphic cards. First, open the buckle to install the graphic card. And when it's done, don't forget to lock it in the same way. Ta-da! We did it! This is how we establish a computer with our computer parts. I'm sure that you've learned. And thanks for watching our video. If you are interested in our products, then what are you waiting for? Just feel free to contact us. We are supplying all kinds of computer parts with good quality and a reasonable price. GHT is at your service all the time.